Welcome to another exciting episode of Doug's Electronic Repair Bench.
Good afternoon, YouTube. I believe it's afternoon. I know it is, yes. This video primarily is for Carl, Sky Carl on YouTube. I'm in the process of trying to set this turntable up, and I remember I said something in the video that it looked like it was, let me see if I can do this, low on this side, and sure enough it is. So I need to get that corrected. That's a matter of putting basically a washer, I believe, in between the shelf bracket and the screw hole there. So lift it front up a little bit. I believe that should fix it. Also, I wanted to check out back here. I should have a flashlight, but I think you guys can make that out. Carl said it's supposed to be on 2, and as you can see, it's between 2 and 2.5. Actually, a little closer to 2.5 looks like. I can't see the anti-skate control where it's exactly at. I do have a little problem. The tone arm doesn't set down right on the record like it should. It sets down a little inward, I guess I should say. And there's an adjustment back here, I think, if I'm not mistaken, underneath that, maybe that little cap there. I'm hoping that's where it's at. But, okay, anyway, to do all this, I'm going to have to pull this out a little bit and get it where I can work on it a little bit, so take the cover off, things like that. Let me do that and I'll come back to you. Alright, back with you one more time. Wanted to show you exactly what I'm done here. If you can see that, there's like 3 little washers in there and none at the bottom. And that will hold the top out enough, I do believe, where you can see it will focus. The bubble is right in the middle now, and so that will bring that up like it's supposed to be. I haven't checked it this way. It is off. I can see that right now. I don't know if there's anything I can do about that unless it needs to go up in the back. So I'm just thinking it would probably be better down here. It needs to go up a little bit back. So that's a matter of putting washers in the bottom, and at some point we're gonna lose the balance in the front. I don't think that's as big a deal as it is side to side. So I'm gonna leave that like it is. Plus I've got it pulled out from the wall a little bit too, where I had it back in against the wall before. So I'll put that back, check it again, but that's going to be close as I can get it, I think. I can always put a piece of, a ruler or something underneath the back legs of the turntable to bring it up, which I may have to do, but we'll look at that when I get to it. So I've got the turntable sitting over there so I can work on it a little bit. I've got to read those instructions again, find out which way to turn that. It's actually going in too far, so I need to bring it back out a little bit. So I'll have to adjust that and see how that works out, and we'll get back with you. Back with you once more. I think I have everything set up. I don't have the adjustment in the back as far as for the levelness. The front is level. I'm going to take some cardboard and put back there just to get an idea how much I need, or what I need back there to bring it up to level. For right now, I've been working on this set down level. It was way in too far. Well, not way in, but it was just too far in. And I think it's about right. I want to try it and see. Also, let me show you this here. Let me give you some light on this. Alright, there we go. They're right on the 2 now. And if you look at the anti-skate, it's set on 2 too. That's exactly where it's supposed to be. According to the directions anyway for this cartridge. I believe that's the stock cartridge. So let's try this and see how this works. And it's worked 2 or 3 times with different records, so I'm assuming it should work. Alright, there we go. So we'll
1,
yep.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Okay, we'll turn that down. But yeah, that's working good now, and I think that's adjusted now. I'm gonna put that little rubber cover back over that, and I think that's pretty good. Except for the levelness of it, I think other than that, I think it's in pretty good shape. So we're gonna go with that, and thank you, Carl, for sending that manual to me. I appreciate that. And if I don't have any other problems, I won't bring you back anymore. So this ought to be it. So you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching.
To lead a better life, I need my love to be here.
Alright, I'm back with you once more. I've got Here, There, and Everywhere playing in the background, and I'm basically trying to find out what level it takes to, so that YouTube doesn't pick up the song. And I'm just hoping that me talking over the top of it is enough to round it out sufficiently. But anyway, I did bring you back for the to tell you that I did get the turntable completely level now, and I used a Scotch-Brite pad on the left side of the back, and on the right side of the back I put a pill cap. And that was the perfect combination. It's very stable in there, and it's completely level around. I put the level on the turntable platter and turned it around and watched it all the way around, and it's completely level. And like I say, it's going to work out all right now, I think. I still need to get those wires up and get those out of the way, clean up my tools and things like that. But like I say, this gives me a good idea of what... Oh, by the way, yeah, I forgot to tell you. The tone arm now is out of whack again. I think the whole problem all along was the fact that the turntable was so far out of level that when it set itself down, it just wasn't hitting the right groove. So I'll have to readjust that again, but that shouldn't be any problem. So like I said, this is what it is. It should be fine for me. I think it's plenty close enough to being perfect. And it's sure more perfect than I am, I know that. But anyway, that's about all I have for this time. I see the song, I'm watching the song play, and I see it's just about ready to be ending. So I guess I will get off here, people, and you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.